Well, anybody that's interested in insurance should want to know a little bit about how insurance began. And so, let me tell you the story of how it all started. So in the 1600s, about 400 years ago, a little bit more now, there were a group of men, merchants, that were sailing to the New World. And often these merchants would encounter either dangerous waters or pirates or who knows what, demons, because the world was flat at that time. So the point being that the kings were losing lots of money, and the people that were the ones liable for those losses were the merchants, because that's where the booty was last located. Things were not good, and so the result was that one day at a coffee house called Lloyd's Coffee House on the River Thames, merchants sat around and discussed the plight that they had. And one of the ideas that came from that discussion was that perhaps they should each share in the potential load, a percentage of the risk. And so what they did was create a pool of insurance money. So meaning that if there was 100% of a load to go to the New World, and we were worried about the potential of losing it, perhaps someone there would be willing to share in that potential loss for a premium. If that load did go down, the one merchant wouldn't be liable for 100%. They'd only be liable for their portion. And so with that as a beginning, they then tried to sell these different percentages of a load the next time a load came. And if there were no losses, then the premiums resided with the people that took the risk. And if there were, they all shared equally in the percentage of the loss that the load was valued at. That's how insurance began. And that was marine coverage, and it was designed for trades between countries and discoveries of new ones. And this all started back in the 1600s. And in Lloyd's Coffee House, which the name has then clearly prevailed and is now Underwriters at Lloyd's.